What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. It is time to shine, man. We got the red bike right here. We got the front wheel right there, man. So without further ado, you guys know how amped up I am to see that thing on there. So I already know how amped up you might be able to see that thing on there, man. So without further ado, man, let's get this thing mounted up and see what it's looking like. We're going to be taking the back wheel with us to the homie house after we get the front one on, of course, because I haven't did a back one before. As easy as it may seem and look, I just don't want to deal with that right before AZ. So I'm gonna have somebody that's gonna help me out after we get the front one on there. So let's get it on there and stay tuned, man. Alrighty, y'all. Got that thing on there. Ooh. Yes, sir. That thing is looking good. And I can't wait to get that wrap around. Let's see what this thing's looking like with the fender, man. Just like that, we got her on there. Now we can pull her out in the sun and see how she really looks. Sheesh. Sheesh Louise. Now, I haven't even really wiped it off yet, but golly, that wheel looks so amazing. It looks incredible. Now, I gotta go get this little cover piece because I use that so they can color match that wraparound, which is not getting wrapped around. So we'll color match. So gotta go pick that up this morning from the homie. But in the meantime, we gotta load this thing up to go to the homie house so we can get that back wheel changed out really quick and get that thing going, dog. So let's load up and get to the homie crib real quick. Alrighty, got this thing loaded up. About to head to the homie crib, get this back one on. Y'all see how small that freaking back tire is, man. That's crazy. But it is looking good, man. Let's go get that thing switched out. Alrighty, y'all, just made it to the homie house. Got the bike offloaded. We about to get that back wheel situated. These bikes are ready for AZ, so homies is riding out there. As much as I want to ride, man, I'm gonna put mine on the truck. So that's that. But can't wait to get this back one mounted up, man, and get this thing back on the truck, loaded up, cleaned, and go for a first ride, see how it be. So stay tuned, man. We gonna get it. Just pulled up to BBV real quick. The homie needs some risers for his fender, man. So let's get up in here and see what they got for him real quick. I think he already in here, man. Getting ready for AZ. He got his risers. He about to go get his fender put on. Okay. Oh, yeah. Y'all see the cut, man. We ain't playing. We ain't playing, man. Let's go see what this bike looking like, man. Ooh. Alrighty, guys, just pull back up. Okay, y'all done already seen the front joint, but man, y'all see it with the sun now. Whole different shebang now, man. But when we come back to the back, ooh, oh my goodness. See, now we can ride with the bags off, all type of stuff. Not even saying I would do that, but man, this thing is clean back here, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that thing in the comments below. That freaking tire back there is so fat, man. I'm just about to be popping wheelies. So, man, y'all stay tuned. Nah, I'm messing with y'all after that wreck, man. I'm gonna take it easy, but we gonna get it going, man. So stay tuned and let's get this thing cleaned up. Sheesh. Oh my God. Man, y'all just gotta take it all in with your boy, dog. Like, this thing looks super beefed up. Now, honestly, I wasn't really a fan of the stock fender on this. Y'all know I like the wraparound, but man, when I tell y'all this stock fender really does look good on here with this 21, man, it looks good. I think I might start doing that, man. That might be a thing, dog. I never know. We can take a look back here at the back. Look at that back wheel. Thing look good. Sheesh. Sheesh. Now, this is the side that look complete. Y'all know the side cover on the other side. We getting that. My boy was using that to color match, but we'll get that back in a second. But, ooh, y'all see it now. Yeah, I'm digging it. Y'all see the buttons on there and everything, man. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Let me know if y'all like it, man, because I am loving it, dog. So, whew. Y'all see the homies out here flooding, ready to go up. Everything shined up, cleaned up, ready to go, man. Y'all see them big wheels on that, John? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Big CVOs, bright colors and all that, man. You can't miss us, dog. Got this thing all loaded up. Sheesh, wheels on there, everything. Everything's everything, man. So let's get to the house, throw that seat on there, clean this thing up, and see what it's looking like, and possibly go for a quick ride, man. The homie over there getting his together, everybody getting there situated, getting AZ ready, man. So stay tuned for the next couple days, man. We're gonna be going up every day of the week. Just got back to the crib. Let's offload this thing and check it out, man. Yes, sir. She is looking good now. That's for sure. That red and black is killing on this joint. Definitely look way beefier. Them wheels though, ooh wee. Man, I just cleaned this thing up and went on the first little ride, man. This thing is so freaking beautiful. Like, I can't even hold you. This red and black is just killing. Like, scratching on. I'm not even about to fix that. I'm not even about to hold you. I'm not touching that at all. Like, the bike looks freaking amazing. I can't wait. Man, I just gotta get y'all some slow-mo, because I ain't even got no slow-mo on this bike yet. But this thing is looking good. Y'all just see the rotors and everything up there. Just looks so good. Sheesh. Y'all see under there. Got that back wheel looking real good too. Y'all see what's going on, man. Yeah, dog. Gotta get y'all a little slow-mo real quick. Yeah, man, I know that slow-mo looked good. I was enjoying doing it, man. That thing was good. But gotta clean up this little area real quick, push our bike back in. We're gonna be done for the day, man. I don't wanna get too much in because I wanna save a lot of it for the weekend. And just like that, we ready to go. Man, let me know what y'all think. Got those wheels back there, trying to figure out if I might put them on that bike. That might look cool. What y'all think though, man? Let me know in the comments below, dog. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I wanna thank everybody out there for supporting, everybody who subscribed, man. Thank you guys for 30K subscribers. I appreciate every one of you guys out there. Without you guys, none of this will be possible, man. So I really do appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for the support, man. If you guys ever see me out there, don't be afraid to come up and say what up. Man, we're gonna be in AZ this weekend going up. Got the wheels on this joint, man. Ooh, now that's looking like my bike now right there, man. That's looking like something I will ride, man. Y'all know that thing is just, man, that thing hold a dear place in my heart, man. That thing looks so clean, man. But you guys already know, stay tuned, man. See what's next. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.